This is the first time I've flown this Corsair since I crashed it real bad last August and ended up having to replace the entire airframe. So this is effectively a maiden flight for this airplane again. When I got it in the air, it was pulling to the left a little bit, and so I decided to go ahead and bring it back down and land it and adjust the aileron trim a little bit. And as soon as I touched down, it wasn't a hard landing. The left landing gear folded up on me. Now, this has custom machined aluminum trunnions in the landing gear that I put in, so that shouldn't break. I'll have to pull that gear out and see exactly what failed inside of it.